Mommy, you have got to try one of those. They're so good.
Turds. If I broke every one of these and throw them. Do you mad at us if I broke every one of these?
I'd probably be really upset. You don't really want to do that, do you?
No.
You don't. No, I don't think so.
I thought about it.
David used to poke holes in them.
Oh my god.
Oh God.
Dude, she has good.
I didn't get those just for Julian.
Just for Julian, no.
Yeah, they don't have your name on it.
Where's your name?
I didn't buy them just for Julian.
Say yeah. Say oh yes, Mom.
Dang, these things are dark.
You could pass for
Angelina Jolie.
The way my lips are
Angelina
doing.
Jolie.
Do you know she took meat from her buttocks
Yeah.
and put them on her lips? It's like you're kissing her.
I could pass for who? Who were you saying?
Thank you.
Which
That
one?
news lady. Sandra. No?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
How dirty is that? You want to eat it?
Bubblegum.
Oh, banana wasn't there? Bananas, Mom. Whatever.
Yeah.
Mom, do you want one of these?
Sure.
I just had the perfect idea. Good, man.
That was me.
Wait till I get my camera.
They ran off.
Excuse me.
I said, filming, Amy.
And you think I'm going to listen?
Jeremy, put your hand over the thing.
Oh, bug.
Ooh, do me.
Bug in the eye.
Do me. Do me.
It starts with one thing.
Hi.
He doesn't know we're looking.
Oh, come on,
It doesn't
Jeremy.
work.
Right? Go ahead.
No, I smell like
Come over here and dance.
berries and cream. Yeah. Let me see. Do it again. Let me see.
Jeremy, don't rub your eyes if you have that stuff on your hands.
Well, you better go wash your face.
Wash your hands. Wash your hands.
Jeremy.
Auntie. Auntie. Dude, what is wrong with you? Yeah, what's wrong with that?
We're all
gonna throw it
sharing.
in
It
the
doesn't
trash.
matter.
So you put it under my cheeks?
The ice is already off. You just try it.
They're slick.
Can I have my popsicle
Jeremy,
back,
Julian,
please?
Damon, you better watch the way you're talking to me.
Yeah,
in
you
that
better
tone.
watch it.
You want to find this stick somewhere where it shouldn't be in town?
That's the channel.
Yeah, because, like, I don't care.
It's culture. Jeremy said it's like
How many
45
people
bucks
are
there.
there going to be, though, fighting? One?
$39.95.
Started at 7:30. Watch it was getting all moist inside. I must have gotten it
No.
wet.
We don't mess with Anna's cabinet. It's already broken.
Okay, I'm done with these.
Wait, I want one.
It happens to get your brother.
Wait, let's see.
Oh, no.
I like
Why?
Well, mine, I call it Bubba's.
Pin in that thing.
It's
towards the back. It's really thin. Mom, my camera's right there. Mom, my camera's right there. My camera. Will you take a picture right there with my camera? Come on, this way. Are we gonna play? All right. I know Don. I just need the remote control for. All right.
He's gonna do a tattoo. He's real. I've got a bullet.
I want this to be permanent now. We're gonna print it out. We're gonna have to take a picture and then print it out. Say to the guys, Dimension 17. I want this, yeah, only real.
Weird. I'm getting my next. That was a real.
I know it was.
That was a real.
I'm just making it one foot. And then a set.
How do you draw butterflies?
Alex,
you have to wait till
let me see a piece of paper, Alex.
maybe I can draw.
Here, it's only one piece.
You want butterfly?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please.
Do you want a face on the butterfly or?
Like, sort of skinny. Goodbye.
No, how do you say it?
Goodbye. Goodbye now. Bye.
How was that move, Julian?
Some of these songs, they sound like they are just actually original, and some of this is the original. Totally.
Well, no, it's just some of them get someone to sound a lot like it.
That's what
None of them are the original.
It sounds just like it.
It does, but it's not.
Scorpions.